Wagwan. Welcome to Jerk Vibes. We're back up in here
with a bad peanut punch recipe.
with our husband them.
Peanut, oats, blend. Turn it up.
Hey! Get again and just go
Get
get
the
the
children.
children.
Hey! Get the children. Get the children. Hey! Get the oats. Get the Supligen. Hey!
Let's get started. First, we're gonna take some peanuts. We're gonna take about a cup of peanuts. Guys, if you can't find peanut, use peanut butter and use any peanut that you can find also. It's gonna taste good regardless.
And we're gonna add in about a cup of oats as well. So next up, I'm adding some Supligen.
And I'm adding some Irish moss.
So these are very, very essential to make peanut. You cannot skip your Supligen and your Irish moss.
You cannot, unless it won't be peanut punch.
Yes.
We're actually using the peanut punch Irish moss. You can also use the vanilla one also, but since we're using vanilla Supligen, we're just using the peanuts.
Yes, and let's pour it all in.
Next
Is
is
Guinness.
Guys, you have to have Guinness, but if you can't find Guinness, use Dragon Stout.
Yes. Well, Guinness is preferred because this is the traditional thing to use.
I was trying to be
Nice
cute.
and cutie.
I didn't want to do too much, you know what I mean?
Next up is some vanilla bean paste. If you have regular vanilla extract, that works too. If you have almond extract, that works too.
Yes.
And it can't be peanut punch without nutmeg. And if you don't know what nutmeg is, go do your research. It's Jamaica's truffle.
The nutmeg. Don't do with that.
And nutmeg is very potent, so you don't need a lot. Just need a little, you know.
And the last spice, cinnamon, guys. Come on, you have to have cinnamon in this. It's a must. You don't need much. And last but not least, condensed milk. Guys, if you don't like condensed milk, you can use a sweetener alternative. You can try agave. You can even use banana. I see people use banana to sweeten this. So you don't have to use condensed milk, but condensed milk just tastes better.
Yes. And it makes it creamier.
Yes, so we're just gonna add the condensed milk. You can add as much as you want. We're not gonna overdo it.
And guys, that's everything you need to make peanut punch. And guess what we're gonna know? Oats, blend, peanut. Hey! And this is how you make real Jamaican peanut punch.
So guys, if you want to spice up things in the bedroom, make this for your husband.
Yes, Jamaican women have this secret for years, and now we're giving it to you.
And this is how you keep the man.
Exactly. All right.
So now we're just gonna pour some. Wow.
Peanut, oats, blend.
Get a man and just to get your children.
Wait, Brit.
What the husband them there?
We'll have to make what husband them try it. Come.
Come from here now the camera.
Yes. Yes. Alright guys, it's a wrap.
One.
Bye now.
Come out of the face.
One we are go.